Welcome! If you've ever missed an important message in a Telegram group, you're definitely not alone. With so many chats and notifications flying around, it's easy for group messages to slip through the cracks. The good news is that Telegram gives you full control over your notifications, and today I'll show you exactly how to make sure you never miss a new message in your groups again. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where Telegram lets you customize everything from privacy to notifications. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how and when Telegram alerts you about activity. Now, look for the option labeled Groups and tap on it. This is where you manage all notification settings specifically for group chats. Here's the key step. Find the option called New Message in Groups under the section Notify Me About. Make sure this toggle is turned on. Once it's enabled, Telegram will send you notifications every time there's a new message in any group you're part of. If you want, you can also adjust additional settings here, like notification tones, vibration, or pop-up alerts to make sure you notice messages instantly, and that's it. With these simple steps, you'll stay updated on every group conversation without missing a beat. If this helped you out, feel free to check out more tips to get the most out of your apps and devices.